Okay, here I have I made a purchase. Let's get this in here. I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G. I needed a extended battery for this phone. And as you can see here, the battery for the phone is at 98%. I placed the order for a zero lemon on July 26th or 27th, somewhere around there, around the latter part of July. I had it for 2 or 3 days. It was doing fine. Then all of a sudden, it stopped charging. This is the package that the Zero Lemon came in. I'm trying to record this while opening this out of the package. I kept the package because there's a problem with it. Okay, I need to take my phone out of the case. Let's see, that's on 3 dots saying mostly it's charged. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. It says hold for 3 seconds. Okay, I'm taking the cover off of my cell phone. And because I care a lot about the things that I purchase, I want to take care of them. I don't want to go back and have to repurchase things. So here's the back of the phone. It still has the plastic on it. But here at the bottom, as you can see, there's nothing covering that charging part of the port. And as you can see, that port is clean. Okay, now I'm going to plug up the cell phone and let you see that it does charge. Okay, when I plugged it up, sorry you missed that, but like I said, I'm trying to do this with one hand. And as you can see the bolt of lightning in the battery part of the phone, and it's telling you that it's charging. Okay, now I'm going to unplug it. Well, it also says it at the bottom right here, if you can see that. It says 3 minutes until full, so I'm going to unplug it. And I'm going to put this Zero Lemon onto this cell phone. It says phone unlocked by a smart lock, which means at this location the phone will be unlocked. Trying to get it in the case. Okay. This is really... Okay. See, I'm sliding it in there. It's supposed to go down in there, and the little part that goes into the phone is going into the phone. So let's see if I can get the cover on here with one hand. Nope, that's not going to work. Let's try it like this. Okay, now the cover is on, and as you can see, I don't have it plugged up. I don't have it, I don't have the Zero Lemon turned on, so nothing's charging. So now what's supposed to happen is when I turn this over, and I press the 0 lemon, it's supposed to come on. Like you just saw it come on before I attached the 0 lemon, and it's not doing anything. Okay, now looking down in the connectors, you can see it's clean. There's nothing down in the connectors blocking that. Now let me take the 0 lemon off my cell phone. Wait, before I do that, I want to see if anything would happen if I plug this up. And it immediately goes back to 1. Is it showing anything on here? No. Now it's up to 2. I held it down for a couple of seconds. I don't know what these dots mean. Let's see if it's doing something on the other side. Nope. Okay, now I'm going to unplug this, and it immediately cuts off. So I'm going to try to turn it back on. You just saw all 4 dots light up, and then they went out. Hold it again. Nothing. Okay. Now I'm going to take my phone out of this 0 lemon. Or better yet, let's try one other thing. I'm going to shut the phone down all the way, power off. I know this needs to be wiped down. Okay, it's off. The phone is off and I'm holding this down. I'm just trying to see if something will trigger this to come back on, to start to charge, or did I get a lemon for my 0 lemon? Okay, so now I'm going to turn the phone back on. Good thing I didn't decorate this thing. Okay, the phone is back on. So I'm going to turn this on again. Try to turn the 0 lemon battery on. It's not doing anything. My phone is on. So I'm going to have to hide my pattern for unlocking my phone. Okay, I unlocked the phone. Phone is booting up. Turn this off. Okay, the phone has booted up. I'll flip the phone back over. Try turning it on again. It's not doing anything. Okay, now I'm taking my phone out. It has this tough gripping rubber, black in color. They only come in one color. Took the phone out. Let's look down in here again, and the connector that connects to the phone. There's nothing in there. Okay, now look in here. There's nothing in there. Okay, well that's it. So I've contacted the company. I will be linking this video going back to the company to find out what is wrong with this battery. Because it shouldn't be doing this. I mean, I just got it and used it probably 2 or 3 times and then kaput. Alright. Thanks for watching.